Hi friends, thank you so much for purchasing 21 Day Skin Transformation Kit. In this video, I want to give you instructions and show how easy to use this kit from the comfort of your own home DIY. If you didn't have a facial at Kiwi Spa in the last 2 weeks, please perform deep pore cleansing facial DIY. We have a separate video that shows how to perform this facial. If you already had facial at Kiwi Spa, then please start from your daily regimen. So let's open the kit and let's take a look at these products. So these products, it's toner and cleanser, and this is your moisturizer and sunscreen SPF 50. These serums are your main serums: AHA Skin Perfecting Serum for a night use and Aqua Glow Booster, which is plant-driven hyaluronic acid, for a morning use. Also, you have vitamin A, it's right here, vitamin A. So we're going to alternate using at night. One night we will do vitamin A and one night AHA Skin Perfecting Serum. You also have an eye cream, it's one of those. An eye cream we use every morning and every night. So we will start our routine from cleanser. After you rinse cleanser, please take a toner, shake it really well and put a little bit on a cotton and then wipe your face with toner. Then if it's a night time, this is a derma roller. It's highly recommended to use so all these serums will penetrate into your skin deeper. Derma roller we use every other day or every other 2 days, depend on your skin sensitivity. We have a separate video how to use derma roller. You can easily find it in the link below, and we're going to also add it to our instruction page. Derma roller we always use on a clean skin. After using derma roller, please apply AHA Skin Perfecting Serum all over your face, and then under your eyes please apply eye cream, and on your face, if your skin is very dry, please apply our super berry cream. If your skin is normal, combination or oily, please do not apply berry cream, just leave AHA Skin Perfecting Serum and let it work overnight. Now, morning routine, same cleanser and toner, same way, and then we would apply Aqua Glow Booster all over the face, including eye area. Let it penetrate a little bit, and then apply your eye cream underneath your eyes and on top of your eyes, and apply also SPF 50 mineral sunscreen all over your face. This sunscreen will not only give you protection from sun radiation, but it also will hydrate your skin and make it glowing. You also have another sunscreen that I recommend to take with you and put in your car or in your purse, and it's good to reapply in the middle of the day. Any sunscreen, doesn't matter which brand, works only 2 or 2.5 hours. So if you apply it at 9 in the morning, by 11 or 11:30, the sunscreen will no longer protect you from sun radiation and UVA and UVB rays. So therefore, here is a sunscreen spray. Please shake it really good for 20 seconds and then spray all over your face. You don't need to touch your face with your hands when you're reapplying. It also will not irritate your eyes, and also it will act like a makeup setting spray and also provide you a great protection. It's SPF 50. So this is your morning and night regimen. It's very easy use. And then vitamin A, you just alternate with AHA Skin Perfecting Serum. So one night vitamin A, one night AHA. And now you also have this 1, 2, 3, and 4 products. And these 4 products, it's your mini facials that you use one time every 7 days. So you will always start from cleanser and toner, and then we recommend to do our Kiwi scrub. In this jar, amount of scrub, it's for 4 applications. So take a quarter always and massage it throughout your face for 1 or 2 minutes, rinse it, then a pumpkin peel, take a quarter, apply all over your face, all over, leave it from 1 to 5 minutes, depend on your skin sensitivity. It's supposed to tingle, please know it's absolutely normal. Then please rinse pumpkin peel with cleanser, again use toner to wipe the rest of the residue from your face, and then apply healing clay mask. This mask, again, here is 4 applications, so take a quarter, mix a little bit with lukewarm water, apply all over your face, wait 7 minutes till it's dry, rinse it please, and then you have age reversing nano mask. It looks like a thick moisturizer, so please take a quarter, put all over your face, and it needs to stay on your face at least for half an hour, but you can also leave it overnight. The more the better. So that's how easy and simple to use this kit. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at any time. And again, you'll see here much more products and supplies. Some of them belong to a treatment, deep pore cleansing treatment, that some people need to do before they start to use a kit if they did not have a facial at Kiwi Spa. And this energy salt, it's infused with positive vibe and positive energy, so please put it in when you taking your bath, and you will feel relief and you will feel also re-energized. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please let us know if you have any questions.